Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to officially lock your Facebook profile in 2025 step by step. So if you want more privacy and you don't want any of the strangers to view your photos, your posts or the information, this is the perfect feature that you can try. So first of all, you need to come here on facebook.com on your PC or on your mobile device. You can also follow the same steps in your Facebook mobile application. So here you need to log in into your Facebook account if you haven't already. Now once you are inside, simply click on your profile that will be on the top right hand corner and on the top left hand corner as well. So once you are here on your profile page, simply click on the option of edit profile. Now here make sure that you edit your profile. Afterwards we have the three dots right next to the profile here. So after clicking on it, you are going to see the lock profile option over here. So currently my profile is already locked, so let me just unlock it first. Now when you click on the three dots right next to the profile again, it is going to show you the lock profile option. As you can see, I have it here. So after clicking on the lock profile, simply click on the option of lock your profile again, and there you go, you have successfully logged your Facebook profile on your PC or on your mobile device. So it is the fastest way for you to protect your photos and the information from any of the strangers. So apart from it, if you don't want other person to see your profile, and if you are not able to see this option, you can just simply go to the settings and privacy. Here you can directly go to the privacy option. So here in the privacy option, you can look for the option of locking your profile, and most probably you will find it over here if it is not available on your profile. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.